I've been a teensy-weensy bit me-occupied lately. I'm sorry.
You replaced me. Used our song in your advert.
I never taught you the top knot.
Yes! It's like all the sister things don't matter if you've got celebrity stuff to do.
But they do. I love that stuff. I just get distracted. Is that pong machine on?
Nova!
I know. I swear I will try and be more listening to you.
It can't be easy, the entire universe expecting so much from you all the time. And singing is hard.
So is managering. Look at the stinky mess I'm in without you. We're good at different things, but together we're the real dream team. The team of my dreams. Especially when we're dancing.
You are my light, you hear my call. You make it right, catch me when I fall. And when we fight, we let it go. You make it right, you help me to grow. Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, my love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? Stronger, stronger.
Are you crying?
Oh.
Dance with me in ages, and besides, I don't remember the moves, so
Dance with me. You're my manager, and managers do what megastars say.
it's actually the other way around.
Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, my love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? 'Cause I'm stronger, stronger by your side. It's just you and I. Together.
Yes, it worked.
Family is the universe. Together, we are strong. Perfume's just a smelly smell. And
This is now our song.
we are together by Nova.
Systems ready. Engine check. Fuel check.
An amazing co-pilot? Check. Back where he belongs. Just like...
Family. 5 down. Whether arm in arm or far and wide, you'll always carry this group inside. It's family.
Yeah, I struggled with that one.
Stars shine brighter than one. We gon' shine together, hotter than even the sun.
You're being very brave, Nova.
I know. I really am. I've had Gurgle for 2 days. It's basically a lifetime.
Really sorry you're gonna miss your party, Captain.
It is sad I won't see Admiral Londo and get another approving pat on the shoulder. This is the right thing to do. Okay, keep in mind the gravity on Gurgle is very heavy.
We know. Very heavy. I told you. I'm not prepped for this. Ah, my back.
Go on then, my boy. Go be home. Go, Gurgle. You'll be happy here. You'll...
Goodbye, Nova. I shall never forget your kindness.
You You can speak?
Duh. Yes, I can speak.
Why haven't you said anything until now?
It is quite hard to interrupt you, Nova Jones. Oh, McLaren,
Yes, Gurgle?
I'm sorry if I was grumpy with you. I just really disapprove of Mercury's shopping. Their website tricks people into clicking things they don't want. But now I must express my gratitude. Nova, you were like a mother to me. You bathed me, fed me, cared for me.
I literally did the same things.
Yeah, but she's Nova Jones. She'd never usually do that stuff. I won't forget you, Nova. Goodbye.
I'm just so sad.
I can feel you out there, making me strong.
Yes, yes, the fields. She has them. She has.
Now you
The
are
fields.
gone, and I'm holding on. Yes, I'm holding strong. Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we be together forever? I'm searching the crowd. I'm chasing memories. You'll always be with me.
She's doing brilliantly, isn't she? Not a single glass as much as chipped.
And without my ordering mistake, Gurgle, Nova would have never got the feels.
Wait a minute. It can't be. Londo!
Can we be together forever? Where are you now?
Londo! 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 Admiral Londo.
The captain of the North. You look just the same.
But what are you doing here?
Didn't you hear? Nova Jones is playing her first ever ballad.
You're a fan of Nova.
When the rumor got out, I knew I had to leave the party early and use some of my awesome space flying skills to get here in time for the concert.
Well, actually, I'm in charge of Nova's ship. That's my cockpit over there.
That's excellent.
Approving pat on the shoulder. On the shoulder.
Good for you.
No. That was meant for me.
Forever, I'm searching the crowd, chasing memories. You'll always be with me.
What am I supposed to do about Nova? Is this my fault?
No.
No.
Everybody has their grey times, McLaren.
Most days you can muddle through.
Start a new project. Go back to an old project. Start a new project about an old project.
Nice crossword and a cuppa. Chat with a pal.
But some days all the peach in the world isn't enough to stop you feeling grey.
Jonaki, you feel this way.
Sometimes. One time I couldn't imagine seeing Peach ever again. But then...
Things get better.
He's never told me that story before. I'm proud of you, Jonaki. All rights to Jonaki's sad story are owned by Malcolm Management Limited.
And you can't control it. It just happens.
Which can be scary. But it doesn't have to be.
I had no idea it was so
Normal. So normal.
People just don't talk about it enough.
You just got to wait until its influence goes away.
Oh! Just like the influencer.
Funny how one weird thing can help you understand another.
Does that happen a lot around here?
Never can control it. She just has to get through it. But how?
All I know is that sometimes your rucksack can be too heavy. So it's good if someone helps to carry the load. But sorry, that's totally unrelated to this Nova thing you're talking about. I've no clue about any of that stuff.
McLaren, I'm sorry I beamed you away. And I don't think I can do the concert or write the song. I'm sorry I've been so useless. I'm sorry you can't rely on me.
Stop. You never have to apologize to me for feeling what you feel.
Even when I felt like using your head as a drum. Or when I felt like being a cat and you rescued me from that tree.
Just because I can't see the greys doesn't mean they're not real to you. I can see how you feel. I can see your grey.
But my song, and all those interviews I missed, the concert.
I cancelled the concert. If you broke your leg, we'd cancel your dance spectacular.
I do dance spectacular.
This is just the same. And we'll do something when you're ready.
What do we do now?
Now I let Sid and Johnny handle the junket. They'll do just fine.
Bobble Smithsonian here, live on the most glam night of the year. The universe's biggest celebs in the fabbest of outfits on a comet hurtling through deep space. This is the Comet Gala. But who will win the coveted, most completely and utterly fabulously dressed award? Probably Nova Jones, she wins it every year. But can she do it again?
Ta-da!
So, what do you think?
It's made of sweets. That's the greatest dress ever!
Glam and delicious.
Could you not eat my dress, please? If you want sweets, there's oodles of leftovers. But wait, this is the best part.
It plays music too. Nice. Is this your latest single?
We just wrote. It's called Me, Myself, and Me, Me, Me. Written by, well, me, myself, and me, me, me.
I think you'll find this song is also written by...
Genius songwriting skills and impeccable dress sense. Just doesn't seem fair on anyone else, does it?
Can we go to the gala?
That's not for the likes of us, Sydney. Besides, it's washing day.
Oh, can we go to the laundry room?
Yep.
Yay!
Ready for your big entrance, Nova?
I don't want to be too early. Fashion clock? Look, at the beep, it'll be fashionably late o'clock. Okay, perfect. Kid songwriter, a little beaming down music, please.
Here comes Johnny. Nova, look what he's wearing.
My dress! He's wearing my totally original dress!
Amazing.
Johnny!
Hi, sis. How was the workout?
Hello, sister. It's going so good, but I was just headed to yours.
Okay. Why so? If you don't mind me asking, dear sister.
To, borrow a book. I'm going to do what people do with books. Read.
Sid, you look like you're drowning.
It's lies. All lies. Nova thought McLaren set up a No Nova club where everyone except Nova hangs out. But it's not McLaren's fault. We all just ended up there, didn't we? And McLaren thought it was fine because Nova was having her own fun with Boulder. And we all found his sessions a bit... Nova secretly tried to get everyone back and McLaren found out. And she secretly tried to get everyone back and Nova found out. And I was sworn to secrecy by Nova and McLaren. But I can't keep it in anymore. Unless we gave that last chocolate biscuit, it did fall into the Jefferson rubbish chute. And now Nova and McLaren are in the corridor.
You did eat that biscuit, huh?
You stole my boulder! You stole my party! Ha! So it was a party, and my party was better. Your workout wasn't supposed to be a party. No wonder Boulder would rather be at mine. He'd rather be at mine. Boulder! Boulder! Boulder!
Pick me, I throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, he's not going anywhere.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I throw the best party. Don't be so persistent. Really, I'm insistent. You know that you can't resist her. You'll pick me the better sister. We don't need to fight. You know that I'm always right. Now you're just exaggerating. Sorry, you're just irritating. You know you don't always have to have your own way. Oh, in my dreams. You should know I always have to have the final say. Pick me, I throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, you're really starting to annoy me.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I throw the best party. Pick me, 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 pick me.
No, but you can't just let me have this one moment. You always have to smile. McLaren, he clearly wants to be at my party. I'm the superstar, remember?
Pick me, I throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, he's not going anywhere.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I throw the best party.
So?
Don't mean to fuss or grumble, but if I don't train, I'm gonna crumble.
Boulder! Look what we've done to him.
My bit goes there.
No, your bit goes here. Can't we agree on anything?
We are agreeing. Sorry, Nova. I didn't create No Nova Club on purpose, but I should have told you how everyone felt.
I'm sorry too. I did make a rival party and I left you out.
You all should have asked how you wanted to train. We can go easy so no one complains. Now, I'm glad you two made amends. But what about all your friends?
So are you completely cured of boulder talk now, Captain?
Well, I still have the occasional blip. Mostly when I'm steering the Jefferson.
We both wanted to say, we're sorry. We shouldn't have made you choose between us like that.
Exactly. It's not a fair contest.
And so we wanted to ask you,
Can we both join your club? And from now on, boulder sessions won't be so... so you normalites can keep up with me.
and no more secrets. Sid?
Everyone, come on, get in. Get in for the picture. You ready? Cheese!